Alright, we got some new toolboxes. Yes, some new toolboxes, new tools, and also some clearance deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So these are the gas golf carts, however you want to call them, UTVs, ATVs, or yeah, UTVs. Pretty nice overall. They do have a dump bed on the back, so pretty roomy on the inside. For the price, they're kind of average. It is the Axis 750. It is a 4-seater, so it's $13.99 down from $15.99 or $15,999. Anyways, this is an Eagle. They do have a lot of Eagle sales. Make sure you guys look double look, because they do have lots of clearance on the Eagles, as I posted on the previous videos. Right, a good one here is a $199 down from $249. It's trimmer kit from with the 2.5 amp hour battery. All right, here's another one, $349. This is a 56 volts, 18-inch chainsaw, and then you got a 16-inch chainsaw for $249 down from $299. And then we got the mowers. This is actually not bad. Self-propelled cordless mower, $549. That's really a good deal for self-propelled. $599 for this self-propelled, and then you got the top of the line for $749. So you guys got some good deals on these mowers. So make sure you guys, if you guys are planning to get one, make sure you guys do get one because they are on sale. All right, another chainsaw, $219 down from $249. It's a 14-inch. You get a Skill chainsaw. This was 40 volts, 14-inch cut brushless. Not too bad. And then they still got this generator, which is not the best deal, because I know that Costco has a killer deal on these generators. As a matter of fact, I'm trying to get you guys a video out. Hopefully I'll get it by tomorrow. But yeah, if you guys are interested in those generators, those Furman generators, make sure you guys check out the Costco or my Costco video. Alright, so $323 down from $359. This is clearance reduced. This is broke side handle, so that does not affect the functions of that pressure washer. And then here's another one. This is a portable hybrid speaker. This one's $59 down from $149. Not too bad. So we've seen these throughout the stores. So then we got this power tool holder, magnetic. All right, we got this crimp tool. This is it does come with some accessories. It is for the coax cable. That one's $6, and then we got the 18-inch cargo bag, $34. It's pretty big size. Got this cooler, $47 down from $59. It is 11 quart, kind of the smaller side. And then you got a 24 pocket, water resistant. Electrician's totes, 34 down from 49. It's kind of the smaller side. Here's a rolling tool bag, 71 down from 79, 14-inch. Not too bad. And you got this 10-inch 40-tooth combo saw blade, $19, which is a pretty good deal. $139. You do buy the angle grinder, get a free starter kit. So definitely check it out. These angle grinders do have the X lock, so that's a very unique feature they have. $14.98 down from 32 piece, and $19.98 for the 44 piece. That is the 44 piece, pretty nice. Does have lots of 2-inch bits, some extension 3-inch bits right there to the left, and then some 1-inch bits on the top. All right, so they still got the buy one get one free. This is actually a really good deal, buy one get one free for that nailer. And then they got these drill driver kits and impact drivers for $99. If you want to buy both of them, they do cost $199. So not too bad for the compact. And then you got the 2.5 straight finish nailer, 16 gauge. This one's $299 with the kit. Does come with the 2 amp hour battery. And then you got the angled finish nailer. It's a 15 gauge. $299. Does come with the 2 amp hour battery as well. So you guys still got the buy one get one free. I'm not gonna go over these because we've seen them throughout like 3 weeks straight. But pretty good deals on those guys, especially those ratchets, the impact wrenches. Pretty good deals. You got the choice of Cobalt XTR tools. Get a free 4 amp hour high output battery for free. And then check these accessories. These are copper cutter tubers, or yeah, copper cutters. $99 down from $119, and then you got the plastic one. This one's $99 from $119. So these are all compatible with every drill. You got $149, get a free tool. That is two 4 amp hour batteries, and this sander, it is included with this deal. So pretty good deal. Same thing with this angle on there. These are all brushless tools. Keep in mind that these Craftsmans are basically old DeWalt technology, brushless technology. You got screwdriver and bit set, $14 down from $18. Not bad. It's actually pretty good. Does have a lot of 2-inch bits, if you guys do see on the left. You got $89 brushless RP driver, $89. That's pretty good. Or impact driver. That is the impact driver. Not bad, guys, especially for somebody at home. Want a nice impact driver. This will definitely serve them well. 2 batteries. And then you got the impact wrench kit for $179. Was $229. That's actually pretty good too as well. You got some scissors, $14.98. I do have these. These things are really nice, really comfortable. Smooth face hammer, $14 down from $19.98. There it is at the bottom, hard to see. You got the trim pull tool, basically for baseboards and all that stuff. And then the screwdriver bit set or driver set, 10 piece. That's a really nice trim puller. That's just an example of how you can use it. Pretty nice. And then you got the Night Eye. A tape measure, 35 foot, $29.98. So that's pretty nice. That's what it looks like. I believe these were on clearance on Amazon not too long ago. So make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed, because I post those deals. This is actually a pretty dang good deal, but it's already sold out. $35 off from $64.48 piece. Craftsman set. You got a pottery cable, a sander. It's a 5 amp belt sander. This one's $224 down from $249 clearance. And then you got a scroll saw, $215 down from $269. Porter cable, 1.6 amps. All right, the next one down is the planer. This is a portable thickness planer. This one's $494 down from $549. 12 and a half thickness planer. You got a bench grinding wheel, 8-inch, $717 down from $818. Not too bad if you guys need that. And then you got another planer here. This is from the Craftsman, $299 down from $349. You got a Delta bench grinder, 8-inch, $170. That one's really nice. All right, you got the Metabo HPT miter saw. Now this one does have, it is a slider, so it is, you can put that against the wall and it's not like your traditional slider. You got the compact digital camera, inspection camera, $59 down from $99. This is actually a pretty nice tool to have, especially if you're looking into walls or pistons or engines, whatever you have, plumbing, all sorts of stuff. You got the connected green laser level, $374. You got a 15-footer laser level, $20. And then you got a stud finder, $16 down from $17. You got another self-leveling rotary laser level. This one's a much bigger unit. It is a 1,000 foot, kind of bigger unit, $649. Yeah, guys, this is the newer toolbox. I never seen one of these before. This is actually really nice toolbox. Definitely check this one out. This one's pretty good. The V series. I really like the black and the shiny, kind of like a brushed shiny red. That was pretty nice. Then it is a double roller on the sides. You got some nice beefy casters and some suspension. Nice wide drawer and deep as well. Yeah, pretty nice. Got some liners inside. And then it is 21-inch in depth. That is the price, $15.99 for the bottom, $11.99 for the top, $27.98 for total. You got a 16 and 18 gauge frame construction, built to last, 6x12, 6x2 suspension casters, times 2 stronger, 3,000 pound weight capacity, and 35,700 cubic feet. Made in the USA with global materials. Does have a power strip there, and then it does have a lock in there, and nice handle on the side, and another power strip on the bottom box. So these are really nice boxes. Definitely some premium boxes, some higher end. Here's another one. This was a solid wood top. This one's $17.99. This is a Craftsman 63-inch 11 drawer workstation. Then you got some additional V-Series products you guys could buy or look online. 150 to 200 pound drawer loads, 18 gauge or 16 gauge tubular locking system. So lots of good stuff under these. Pretty much the same as the other one, but some solid wood top there, and it does have the big drawer at the bottom for power tools and much bigger equipment. It is self-closing. That one got stuck a little bit, and then you got the power strip on the side. This one's on clearance, $5.59. They're from $7.99. Maybe it's replacing this. Who knows? This is the blackout edition from the Craftsman. This is solid wood top as well. Very similar to the other one, a little bit smaller. But yeah, pretty nice as well. 100 pound drawers. 52-inch wide, 8 drawer workstation. Alright, some clearance. They still got these stabilizer knee pads. They did not have any here left, but $8.72. You got some more stabilizer knee pads, 44 down from 49. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for these, because sometimes they do go a lot lower. It just depends on your store. Here, make sure you guys double check. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. And also don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We'll see you guys on the next one.